Hi guys, Miss Taylor here again. So a couple of other things that you'll need to know for Canvas. So now I'm in student view, which is a little different from what I showed you last time. There are less things that you can click on the side, but let's go through what some of those are because they are pretty important. We've talked about modules. That's where we go to find all of our assignments and directions. Announcements, if we click on that one, it will have any important announcements that I have for you for the week. So for example, for this particular class, it's reminding them they have 3 assignments that are due by Friday, August 21st at 4:00 p.m. And then it lists the assignments for them. If we go into just assignments, it will show you these are the things that I'm grading. Okay, now the roll call attendance, we're not going to worry about that one. We'll actually talk about that in our first Zoom meeting. But these are the 3 things that you would have due if you were in my Section 1 Language Arts 7 class. The next thing you'll see is discussions. So this will take you straight to the discussion board. So again, if you were in this class and you clicked here, it would take you to those same discussions you saw in modules. It doesn't matter where you access it. So I can access this discussion from modules or discussions. It's still going to turn it in the same way. Next section you will see is grades. So for this test student, they can see the due date of when their assignments are due. And then once I grade it, then they'll have their score out of however many points I assigned. And then like I will mention next week, you get 100 points per week. So these would add up to 80 plus 10 plus 10, 100 points if you get everything done in on time correctly. For people, we won't worry about that function right now. We'll use that more when we start looking at groups, if we do any group work or if I need you to talk to a partner in the class. The next one is your syllabus. So you can see your syllabus in yet another place, and it's got the link here. Quizzes is going to be the same as discussions and assignments. It will break down. This is the only quiz assigned to you at this time, is that syllabus agreement quiz I went over. You can access student view from this website. You can access your Google Drive, which you guys will be doing quite frequently. So if you click here, it will link you straight to your Google Drive. Now you do need to allow Google access to Canvas. If you don't push allow, then it won't let you go through. So when that pops up, do allow it. Office 365, so this will give you some Microsoft features. If you have a device that is compatible with that, same thing, you have to log in and allow it. The Zoom link is another place you can find your class meetings. So for example, if we were in school today, then my honors period 1 class would be meeting at 12 o'clock today. So they could go here and they could join my meeting from here, or you can use the home page, or you can use the link in modules. They are all the exact same link. All right, and then we'll talk about Clever a little bit more another day. The last thing I want to point out when we're in student view, so this is what you guys can see. On the right-hand side, it has a to-do list for you. Now, it's going to look kind of overwhelming because it shows all of your upcoming, these ones with the little calendar, those are your Zoom meetings, okay? This one would be a discussion, so the ones that have points are the ones that are graded. So a discussion, the writing for 7th grade, and then the syllabus agreement quiz for all kids. All right, so I hope this helps you guys get started. If you have any questions, again, please reach out to me so that I can help you get to where you need to be to get your work done. Have a great day.